बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर वतम्मिम बिल खैर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Assalamu alaikum students, we are here to perform an experiment to find the time period of a simple pendulum. First of all, what is simple pendulum? Simple pendulum is one which we consider to be a point mass suspended from a string or a rod of a negligible mass. Then we talk about the pretest. What we are having a stand, a pendulum attached with a thread and a stopwatch to calculate the time period. After that, we suspend the pendulum with the stand. After that, we suspend the pendulum with the clump. Here we can say that two positions are there: a mean position and extreme position. A mean position is a position at which the pendulum is at rest position. Here we can say that is the mean position, and extreme position is that when we move the pendulum applying force to a external point and then we release that pendulum, it can vibrate between the mean position and the extreme position. Center point is the mean position and the extreme positions are the position where the pendulum gain its maximum height, that is the extreme position. Later on, two terminologies we use in to find the time period. What is the time period? But a time period is the time required to complete its one vibration from mean to extreme, that is called a time period. We can find the time period T is equal to 1 by F, that is the formula for the time period. F is the frequency. Frequency is the time required to complete one oscillation. One oscillation means how time required to complete one cycle from mean to extreme, then back to the mean position. That is called frequency. When we displace the pendulum from mean to extreme position by applying force, for the displacement we remove the pendulum by clicking the stopwatch. The time required to come from mean to extreme by applying a force. Now we can release the pendulum and calculate the time period to complete its one vibration. The time required to complete its one vibration is 2.1 seconds. Now we decrease the length of a simple pendulum and releasing the pendulum at the extreme position. The time to complete its one vibration, that is 1.6 seconds. We can say that the time depends upon the length, means decrease the length, decrease will be the time period, and increase the length, increase will be the time period. And now we can summarize the whole topic. First of all, our topic is how to find the time period by using a simple pendulum. We have a Pretest stand, pendulum thread and a stopwatch. On the center we have a diagram in which we can show the mean position and the extreme position. Center point is the mean position and the external points are the extreme position. Then we have a time period. A time period is the time required to complete one vibration, that is called time period. T is equal to 1 over F. Its unit is per second. Then we have a frequency. Frequency is the number of oscillation in a unit time, that is called frequency. Its unit is hertz.